Did you know that you can be a seller of vegetables, tomatoes in your backyard? You are aware you can create a vegetable farming, tomato farming in your backyard. How can you do that? Come along with me. Let me show you.
Method: get some sand, get manure, mix them with the sand, put the sand in you will carry out irrigation, preferably manual irrigation to avoid we have the sack gardening here for vegetable, green vegetable, which is called in local parlance efotete, that is southwestern Nigeria. It's planted in these sacks. As you can see, we have an array of sacks here, and this is typical sack gardening for vegetables. Typical sack gardening. You can see the array of sacks. Prepare sacks like this. You put soil with manure together in the sacks. Then you can spread your vegetable seeds, the dry vegetable seeds, on top. After that, you cover the dry vegetable seeds with a thin layer of sand and allow it to stand under the rain. If rain is not funny, you will carry out irrigation, preferably manual irrigation, to avoid too much moisture on the seeds. That is what is carried out here. And then we have the array of sandbags. You can see that they are arranged in 3 in each group, and we have a number of rows, and 3 and then in 3 rows also. So if you count all of these now, we have 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 33 sacks in each row. So we have about 100. There is another one here. Okay, other small tiny pieces of seed, vegetable seed, have been put inside these recent sacks. They have been planted. You can see these ones, and those that have germinated also. You can do the same thing for vegetable, pepper, tomato, as we have here. So the older ones are on this side of the farm. You see the other one here. We have the green vegetable, which is called a efotete. Doing well here. You can see them. In about 2 weeks time, this will be ready for harvesting. Can you see that? Can you see that? Can you see right here? So if you want to try this at home, go ahead, follow the same method. Get some sand, get manure, mix them with the sand, put the sand in the sacks. Here we use cement sacks, and then you don't need to fill the sacks to the full. A third of the bag is enough, or half of the bag, as you can see here. Then spread the vegetable seed on that sand, and then you can carry out irrigation in the evening or morning and evening, but the evening is more important. Then in some few days you have them germinated. If rain is not funny, you continue to irrigate until they are mature for harvesting. Don't forget to like and share this video. Until another time, I want to meet you again in this video. Click like and share, and the notification bell. I say bye bye.